Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a subject about catalytic conveyor codes. We have a P0420 and P0430 that is available for all major cars, and concerning the catalytic converter code. A lot of people, you have to go and change the catalytic conveyor and then change the O2 sensor in the back and O2 sensor in the front, clear the code, drive to do the emission cycle, and then the code come back again, and they say that you must change the catalytic converter. 95% is catalytic converter is not good. You need to replace it. If you have this problem, before you go down and change the catalytic converter, you can try this one, it may help. I'm not here to sell anything, but I give some information. The code you get in it, when you plug it in your OBD2 connector, you're going to get P0420 or P0430. And catalytic converter efficiency, whether it's back 1 or back 2. You take the catalytic converter, you replace it, or there are some other options that people buy a new one or aftermarket one to put it in. But my advice, before you go further and change anything, try to use this one. They call it catalytic converter cleaner and like deodorize or deodorize or something. Deodorize. Help eliminate rotten egg odor, or also it may clean the catalytic converter for you to pass the emission test. What you need to do, you're gonna go to your car, open the gas tank, put all this bottle in, fill the gas tank, and drive the car till that gas tank come to zero, like 10% or 5%, and then you can fill it out again and check. If the code doesn't come back, you're good to go. If the code come back, you can try one more and then see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna show you what you need to do now. For example, I have a car with the same issue. Let's go here, see? This is the car here. It's a Honda Pilot 2007. I'm gonna open it like this. Be sure when you open it, it have instruction. Try to be sure that you're not gonna play with it really good, and then pour it in. So it's going inside. Be sure don't spill it. Okay. Then clear the codes. Gotta go wash my hands. Now you fill your gas tank. That means that if you have a gas, try to fill it out. If not, just fill it out till it says that it's done. You close it, you drive the car till you finish that one. You finish the gas tank, at least to come 10%, 5%. Now you see if it's come back or not. If not, you're good to go and your catalytic converter is clean. If it's keep coming back again, don't try to leave it, like try to put another one. Maybe it's very dirty. Try to put another one and see if it's okay. If it's okay, you're good to go. One of my friends complaining about it, and we use this one and it's work. Maybe it's work for you. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please let me know if it's work with you. Give us a comment and share. Maybe other people benefit of it. Spending $1,000 for catalytic converter is too much for nowadays. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.